reveal about the technology, the impact on the society. So, in the current modern age, we are always living and engaged with or related to the technical or technology area. So, not only this time, so every decades from the ancient to till now. So, we are always living in the modern technology. So not only in computer or system-oriented activities. So in every field, each and every field, we have followed the technology, like invention, the new wheel, like a car, bike wheel also. It will be introduced by someone else. So that's a new things on that particular age. So I'm also following, and we are also following that same activities from from the past into current generation. So, can you start with your perception and your ideas? I expect your valuable inputs for particular areas. Can you give that?
So, as you said,
Mm.
technology has made our life very easily and very in a good manner and make it very globally a good place to connect. So, connection has become very easy in today's world through technology.
Sure, I also agree with that. So through education, technologies plays a major role in that. Through online classes or e-classes or digital platforms,
Yes, actually,
they
yes,
also
very good.
plays a major role in every student's life so that they get their most of the knowledge from the technology.
Yes,
So technology plays also concerns each and everyone, and they and give more and more input on everyone about the world and inside the world.
actually, it's the best example COVID-19. So that time we are everyone should engage with the technology because without Zoom meeting or any other app, we cannot engage in the study areas. So they are giving some sort of other things also they have offered, but we should learn something. Our progress will never stop. So that's the best example for conducting exams or other activities and learning, teaching, learning methods. So it's continuously processed on that particular time. So it's all happened by the use of technology. So without technology, it's never possible. Yeah. And another thing, you want
Sir, that's true, sir, but it also has negative impacts.
Mm.
Because excessive use of technology leads to reduced physical activity, and also people get addicted to gadgets.
Sure.
Yes, that's also correct. In technology, we use our data privacy and cybersecurity. So there are many information about us to kept protected.
Yes.
But if we misuse our technology, that will be the impact on us.
From both right, both sides are very dangerous. I think if we are sending into some message and it will hacked by someone else, it's some other problems going on by using technology. So current trend it's going to very serious manner in that category. So apart from this, as a student life and teachers category, we can enjoy it. We can learn many things from that technology. So it's very useful, but at the same time, we should be very conscious about that technology based on the transaction amount transactions and other things also. We need to be very serious things. We have to follow some sort of rules and regulations. We don't want to enter any other links and other activities. So we should follow only instructed information. That's much better to protect our personal things also. Your perception, can you speak that? Huh?
Sir, actually, in my perception, technology is a very good boon to us, sir. For especially in this modern era, we are moving for the SDGs. That is, technology rapidly increases our productivity, sir, in industrial-oriented makings and all, sir. Especially when it comes to creating automation and IoT systems and all, sir. Technology is the only thing we can rely on, sir. Not mainly on human efforts, sir. Human gave the intelligence initially. After that, all the progress was done by technology. Even the technology itself, the engineering techniques done by humans
Yes.
for the progressiveness of industrial-oriented ideologies.
Ideology, yes, yes.
And but the human itself cannot complete it, so the robots also come into the place. Even Japan uses robots for every aspect of system making, sir. Not
Yes.
only initially or for just packing those things, but they use it, sir. Actually, Japan right now in 2018
Yes,
in
yes, yes.
2025.
They are living in the advanced world. I think 2050. And they are living in that age because everything they have followed based on the technology. For example, 70, you know that 70. So that technology also they are following in the day-to-day life. So every ad and other movies and everything else they are following only based on the technology. So now, for a best example, the Avatar movie. So do you know that everyone knows that about the movie. So real world, they will explain that showing the real world of the society and other human beings. So we cannot imagine that places. So even though they are giving in front of us, so it's all happened by technology. So it's a nice example for technical works.
As I say, it is a boom to the society, but it is not as much because it takes most of the people's employment. So it is not boom to everyone.
It's occupied the ordinary employees works. Yes. So it will do all the works, not only basic employees works. It will do all the works. If once be programmed and they will work automatically. No non-stop work. They will work continuously. No need to take rest or any other things. No need anything else. We should give some kind of commands. They will follow everything. So it's also one of the curse for the human society. But even though we can enjoy that based on the works, but we can get more productions, we can get more results. But not only it's not enough for human, but even though we should follow that activities for the lacking of human works, so we can follow that. And your idea? Mm.
So to conclude, it is not about positive, negative side of technology.
Yes, yes.
How we use wisely is
Yes, based on our perceptions, ideas, comments, it will create and it will leads to that particular positive and negative also. So thank yes.
we need everyone should use technology wisely.
Oh, yes.
So to make everyone connected.
Nice to discuss with you. Thank you.
Thank you.